Hello everyone, this is Des back again for another box break, this time round Select Soccer 2015. It's been a while since I last broken this product, so let's do this. Surprisingly, interest level for this product is pretty high among Singapore collectors. Well, of course, you would expect a lot more color in this product than its 2016 counterpart, Select Soccer 2016. Mostly has multicolored non-numbered cards, but this has relatively more numbered colored cards and your camel prints and stuff like that. And of course the memorabilia cards are also a lot nicer than the ones that you see in the 2016 product. Alright, so let's go. Let's do this. This is for my own collection. Hope to land another historic signatures from this product. Of course, I've already completed the base set. The base set for this product is a lot easier to complete. It's only 100. It's only a 100 card base set. So right away, I see a purple. Nice. This is Sergio Ramos purple. Should be numbered to 99. Yep. 39 of 99. First colored hit. The rest are your base. This should be a double team memorabilia, and indeed I am right. This is Portugal double team memorabilia of João Moutinho and Rui Patricio, 55 of 149, and it comes in orange. Pretty boring white jersey patch. Not a really good hit in my view. But still, nonetheless, it's a lot nicer than the one in 2016. If you were to get a 2016 double team memorabilia, usually it is non-numbered. So at the very least, this is numbered. Though it's a relatively high number at 149. Alright, there you go. And then you have the usual base. So the hit jersey card right on the second pack. Hopefully the autograph card would make up for this rather mediocre, jersey card. So I see a blue, I see an orange. Pretty nice orange inserts card, the equalizers of David Silva. So yet again another colored Spain hit, followed by, this is Colombia, Camillo, Zuniga. So two colored cards in one single pack, which explains why I prefer this product a little bit more than 2016. You know, the colored offerings are just so much more. But it's worth mentioning that it's a lot harder to hit the gold cards and the tie-dyes from this product. Alright, there you go. Jorge Campos. Orange. So this will be my autograph hit. And you notice the sticker is rather crooked. So that's my autograph hit. I mean, the autograph is pretty nicely signed, well within the sticker. Just a shame that the sticker was pasted, a little off center. So there you go, Jorge Campos, the legendary Mexican keeper. A pretty decent striker as well. You will also find his autograph in Apex Soccer as well as World Cup Prism. Let's make this a little centralized. Alright, Jorge Campos. So the orange hits are coming thick and fast. One more memorabilia card to go. And I think it should be in this particular pack. It's a Joe Hart. Now I've gotten a 1 of 5 gold, surprisingly, featuring Joe Hart. Well, this time round it's only numbered to 149. Another very boring looking white patch. So that completes the hits for this particular box. And it's all orange. Not very high numbers. So a very ordinary looking box. Alright. So let's hope we get more decent colored cards for the rest of the packs. So there we go. The camo is a high number in this product. The camo is numbered to 20 in the 2016 product. So this is Antoine Griezmann camo. And then we get a blue Claudio Pizarro, numbered to 299. Should have one more camo hit. If I remember correctly, there's usually 2 camo hits in one box. So this is a red Neymar. And oh, tie-dye, nice. Tie-dyes are also numbered to 30 in the 2015 version, likewise for the 2016. So this is the tie-dye of Dani Alves, and this is my second tie-dye from the 2015 Select Soccer. Tie-dyes are a lot harder to hit in the 2015 product. It's 26 of 30. Cool hit. Alright. Is it too much to ask for maybe, you know, a gold or a green? An orange coming up, and this time around it's Hugo Ruiz. Lots of orange in this box. There should be a pack that has no colored cards at all, and it should be basically all inserts along with your soccer ball short print variation. Yes, it's in this pack right here. And the soccer ball variation short print is of Salomon Kalou. Yep. Alright, final pack. Maybe a gold, hopefully. Although it's a long shot. Well, it's not a gold, it's a purple. Fernando Muslera, again numbered to 99. Alright, so that concludes the box break. I will come back with a totally new product to break called the Panini Americana 2015. More on that product and the box break later on, so I'll see you later.